bird who dreamed of the sky. In a quiet home, a little yellow bird named Sunny lived in a golden cage. Her owner was kind, but Sunny's heart ached for the vast open sky. Every day she watched other birds soar freely, her wings longing to join them. "I don't belong here," she'd whisper to herself, dreaming of the wind and the songs of the forest. One afternoon, with the window left ajar, she called out to some sparrows, "Please, can you help me?" The sparrows, joined by a blue jay and a hummingbird, devised a plan. While the kind man napped, they pecked at the cage's latch from the outside as Sunny pushed with all her might from within. With a final click, the door swung open. Sunny soared into the sky, her heart bursting with joy. She looked back one last time, whispering, "Thank you for your kindness, but my home is the sky." And she flew off, her song of freedom echoing through the dawn. That's the end of the story.